Hey, what's up guys? I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but here is an unboxing of a Kicker CompQ 10-inch. This is a dual 4-ohm. The sub is rated at 700 watts RMS. Here's the specifications for the boxes. And I got this subwoofer, and I ordered a custom box for it on eBay. If you guys want to look for custom boxes that are built really good, search up high output enclosures on eBay, and you'll find the guy's store where he pre-makes your box to whatever sub you want it to be. And the reason why I'm doing an unboxing video for this woofer is because there isn't really any out there, or any base videos out there for this woofer. So woofer is heavy and it's a beast and has a really good surround, pretty high. Let's open it up. See that? The Kicker CompQ 10-inch. Here's the template. I opened it already, but I put it back just for you guys to see what comes inside the box. So you got the gaskets for the sub. You got the manual. You got the nice Kicker packaging. Kicker CompQ. I'm not sure if Q sounds for means quality, but the looks of this woofer looks like it is. Man, I ordered this woofer on Amazon, and the whole box came like exposed. The only thing that this box came with was clear plastic wrap, just like this, but it was wrapped in the box. And then the USPS person told me, I don't know why they packaged it like that, but it was all exposed, and there was a hole. There was a little hole right here, and when I opened it up, it was missing the little sticker right here. But it is what it is. Whoa. Wow, look at that beauty. Look at that surround. Some really big surround. This is nice. Let's take it out of the box. I have to set you guys down really quick. 1 second. Alright, before I show you the sub itself, here's a manual. And here's the specs. It's a 10-inch. I got the dual 4-ohm because I got an amp that's only stable at 2 ohms. It's all bad. But you got the FS 39.2. Sensitivity to 85.3, which is not that bad. I mean, it is a woofer in the end. And the X Max, where's it at? Sorry for the movement. Before, they didn't provide this, but when it came to the Q line of woofers, they started providing the X Max, the linear excursion in millimeters, 16.25 millimeters in excursion. And there's your specs of the woofer. And the woofer itself, one sec. Bam, this is the woofer. Woo! This is 8-gauge terminals. You got the 2 voice coil leads over here on the same side. Now look at that excursion. Look at that excursion. Look at that surround. It's pretty stiff, really hard. Push it down. It barely goes down. You guys have to break it in. Wow, this thing is nice. You got some smudges there. And this piece right here, this is actually aluminum heatsink. I guess where the former goes for extra heat dissipation. That's hard. It's a aluminum heatsink. You got the spider woven tencel leads with blue stitching also. This thing is nice. You got the kicker branding and the model CompQ. Let's see the bottom of it. Ooh. This is the magnet, dual 4-ohm. This thing is really heavy for a 10-inch. Got a gasket all around here for the mounting. Yeah, it's, I'm not sure how much this woofer weighs, but it's pretty heavy. The box I ordered was meant for a SA 10-inch or a E 10-inch sundown, 1.25 cubic feet of airspace, usable airspace, tuned at 34 hertz. I told the guy that builds the boxes if he could tune it to 32 hertz, and he recommended that. He recommends a sub at 34 hertz to 35 hertz. So I mean, he knows about boxes, I don't. So I went with his advice. I told him, can you make it a little bit bigger also, 1.5 cubic feet usable airspace. So he's gonna do that for me. But yeah, this is the sub. If you want to see a video later of it moving, because I haven't even got the wiring installed in my car. It's just really hot outside right now, but soon I will have a video of this plane and that custom box. Wow, this thing is clean. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and by the way, this sub only costs $229.99. Alrighty guys, peace.